Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the WINSTON AI as the most trusted AI detector. So one check, is it actually true? Let's get started. Now, WINSTON AI sets the standard in AI content detection, which is unmatched in its accuracy in identifying ChatGPT 40, Google, Gemini, and all other known AI models. So you can see WINSTON is really good. It can help you tell if a text was written by a human or AI. It should tell you it was written by ChatGPT. You can check your AI score here, and no credit card is required. It is featured in many magazines. You can see here. It's the only AI detector with 99.98% accuracy rate. Can you see? Artificial intelligence is evolving, including fast, but so are we. So is WINSTON. Their model is updated to keep up with every notable LLM update. It can be used for education, for SEO, for writers. How does it work? It is built to help you get a clear and accurate assessment. So what you do is just create your account for free to begin checking for AI content. And then you enter the text you want to check for AI and you get your results within seconds. It's as simple as that. What are the features? The features are industry leading accuracy rate. It detects all AI models, all of them. It helps you to paraphrase and humanize content also. Okay, it detects all bypassing strategies, including paraphrasing content with tools such as Qbots or even AI content humanizers. So it helps to detect AI generated content in English, French, Spanish, German, Portuguese, Dutch, and Chinese. I simplify. It helps. It is secure and confidential, and it has an AI prediction map. So you can even have it detected to your Chrome. So it's a complete solution to ensure integrity. It has AI detection, pregnancy detection, AI image detection, API. It's always ahead of AI detection, AI content detection. The reviews and testimony, we have a lot of testimonies here. We have some questions and everything. It's as simple as that. It has languages, it has product and the resources. Now let us get started for free. But before we do that, let's look at the pricing. Now, for annual, you get 1 credit per word AI detection free. You don't pay anything. This is it. You have to scan your documents. You can scan pictures, your able PDF reports, advanced pregnancy detection. You can invite team members, top up credit, scan documents, email and chat support, diffusion and more, and you can get started for free. Before we do that, let's do this next. Let's look at the essentials. Essentials is $12 per month, and advanced $19 per month, and elite $32 per month. If you want to go for the paid version, these are all the things you can get under all the benefits of using this plan. Now you can see it. So let's go for essential. Okay, this for annually. Then if you want monthly, you can switch to this for month. Okay, the amount I called $12 per month. Then this is monthly. Okay, it's calculated annually at $12 per month, but if you're going for monthly, it will be $18 per month. Okay, that's okay. Okay, let's move on. Let's create an account for free and see. Let's get started. So you have to verify first of all that you're a human, and take a few seconds for you to verify. WINSTON needs to verify you're a human, and then to wait and to give you this, and then you put in your details. I want you to put your password, confirm your password, click on register. So let's put in email address. Okay, and then the password, put in a password. Alright. So after putting in your password, then you see it must be at least 8 characters. You have to meet these criteria. I want you to confirm your password by inputting it again. So it has to go with everything they said there. Then once you are done with that, you click on register. You can also agree to terms and conditions. You have to check the box and then you click on register. If you're already registered, just click on already registered. Let us see. Before continuing, you have to verify your email address. So you have to click on the link. Okay, that will just email to me. Let's check the link was emailed to me. So I'm going to check it quickly and click on it so I can have access to WINSTON AI. So this is how we do it. I've clicked on the link here and let us see what happens here. So they asked me to log in here. I'm also going to log in on my phone. Why is that so? I'm just supposed to verify. Okay, don't want to put the email and the password. Okay, maybe don't confirm that's really me. Is it actually me that's registering? I guess that's what they want to do. So unfortunately, it's gonna take a few minutes because they're asking me to do it on my phone too. And the reason why I'm doing it on my phone is because my email is on the phone. I didn't connect it to the PC. And then I must put my password to the password that is registered up. Okay. I think it's for security purpose. Alright. And then I'm to sign in. Alright. And then I can do it on my phone. What about here? Why is it not allowing me to do it here? They said continue, but before continue, could you verify your email address by clicking on the link we just emailed you? I have done that, but nothing is happening here. In fact, I'm in on my phone right now, but it's not working here. It seems my free trial can only be done on my phone. Okay. Anyway, that's it about Winston. We've done the price and everything. So that is it about sorry, but that's it about Winston. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, okay, let me try logging in here since I've verified on my phone. Let's see if it will work out. Let me try logging in here. Okay, it's in because I verified on my phone. Okay, once verified on the email, then you can log in here. Like clicking on login. It's as simple as that. So you can start your content scan. You can scan your text document to URL. You can start AI image scan to detect images and deepfakes generated with Midjourney, DLL, Stable Diffusion, and more. And you can check the first. You can do HUMNI1 certification. Alright, so these are the things you can do. They also have integration with all this. You can see all the integration here. We still have more over here. Now before we go, let's quickly look at this, all the things we can do here. You can see subscription, integration, text compare. You can even compare text. This text comparison tool allows you to compare content between any text. It highlights the difference and provides information on the text similarity. To check for differences, simply enter the text and click the compare text button. So you place your first text here, place the second text here, and then click on compare text to compare it and let you know. And you have about 2,000 credits if you're using the free version. You have trial plan is for 14 days. If you want to upgrade, you have to pay for it. You also have image scan, where you can get a complete image forensic analysis, including the original, whether it is AI or origin, whether it is AI or human. Alright, so you put the picture here. Its format can be JPEG, JPG, PNG, and WebP with a maximum file size limit of 10 megabyte. Or you paste the image URL here and then you click on scan for AI. But every scan you make, image scan you make, costs you 300 credits out of a 2,000 credits that you have for free. So if the image origin will be written here, which is AI, percentage of AI will let you know, and percentage of human will also let you know here. So you can scan the image for that. Then we have project. Let's look at what we have on that project. So here we click on new project to start your work. So we have documents. So let's see. You can scan documents by date if you've already created them. Then we have new text scan. We want to start a new text scan. So you upload the file, you put the document also, the title, or you can actually import from the URL, paste it here, minimum of 500 characters, and to tell you how many credits it's gonna cost you, along with 2,000 credits, and then to give you feedback on whether it is programming, able to detect AI. Just click on scan text after posting it. So it's as simple as that. Don't forget, try pay just for 14 days. Let's see what else we can get. So there's nothing. Okay, so look at the integration, look at the pricing, and that's it for today. So we also have website scan. So you can start the subscription process by selecting your preferred method of integration. If you have a WordPress site, we recommend selecting the WordPress plugin. If your site is built on another platform, select the XML sitemap. So to get a complete HUMN1 certification by connecting your website and showcase the leading human content certification badge to your audience. If you want to use you can also get certified by simply using your website sitemap URL. So that's just for you to prove to people that your human content is essentially has human content in it. So you get like a badge, certification badge that you can display on your website. So let's see what else we got. Let's go back and see if there's any other thing we can get. So if you want to get 1,000 free credits, you can do that with the new Microsoft Edge extension. Guys, with that, you can easily scan any content for AI directly on the web pages by highlighting and right clicking on the text. You get 1,000 free credits when you install the extension on your Microsoft Edge. I think that's a great idea. Add to your 2,000 credits, so you have about 3,000 credits.